Here's how to check if a Gmail account is available in 2026. If this video helps you, please subscribe. It really supports the channel. First, open Chrome and go to gmail.com. Click Create Account, then choose For Myself. Enter your first and last name, then type the Gmail username you want. As soon as you type it, Google will automatically check availability. If the username is already taken, you'll see a message saying it's unavailable, and Google will suggest similar available usernames. If there's no warning, that Gmail address is available. You can add dots, numbers, or slight variations to find an available address. That's it. Now you know how to quickly check if a Gmail account is available in 2026. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials.